Hello, good day everyone. I am Joanne Lin,
I am Diana.
And I am Matina.
and we are here to create a podcast that serves as your guide for creating your own podcast in the easiest way possible using your cell phone. So I hope you are ready. Let's go.
So first, of course, you need to download the Anchor app for free from the Play Store. If you're done, let's click this Anchor app. So in here, you will see in it the lower part, the analytics, tools, and your podcast. So let's see the analytics section. It is all about the status of the podcast that you create. Since we have not created anything yet, we can see anything in it. Next, let's move on to the tools or this plus sign. If we click it, we can see the fourth step that Anchor gives. These are recordings and imports of some audio. Build your episode out of as many as you want. Publish your podcast on Spotify and distribute it anywhere and start getting listeners. Now, let's click this plus sign so we can see at the bottom the section under these tools. First, the voice message. You can make your podcast in a voice message style to share it to your friends. In music section, as we can see, we can add Spotify music to our podcast. And if you want to know more about this, watch the tutorial provided. Then, let's ignore the record section because it will be the last. Now, we have the library wherein all the podcasts you make will save here. The interclude and sound section is the sounds that you can add your podcast.
Now, let's explore the record section. If you click record, it automatically record anything that have sound. Unfortunately, my screen record has stopped because Anchor didn't allow screen recording while you are recording your audio, but I provided a screenshot for you to know what it is look like when you are recording. So as you can see, there is a plug, and this plug can serve as your guide while editing. Here it is the time that you will release the content of your podcast. For example, I am going to record the inspirational quote I know. And if you are done recording, you can choose a background music you want here, like this.
The inspirational quote by Group 3. Hi,
Okay,
and welcome to the
then if you're
inspirational
done,
quote by
save
Group
it.
3.
In saving process, you need to give it a name. After that, you will return to Tools section, and there you can see your recorder audio. And if you click these three dots, you can edit it again or delete it. If you are done and you want to publish it, you will now go to your podcast section. The recorded audio you made will save as draft to this section. Then click it. Then click this publish this episode. Then fill up all the needed information about your podcast, like title, description, season, episode number, type, and the picture that serves like a thumbnail. Then you can choose a photo here. Then it's done.
Now, you can distribute your podcast in many ways, like copying the link and then paste it to your messenger or group chat. In this way, they can open your podcast and then listen to it. Now, let's listen to the podcast we made.
Hi, and welcome to the Daily Inspirational Quote by Group 3. Today, I am going to share the first inspiring quote with you all. It is by Paulo Coelho. Coelho is spelled as C-O-E-L-H-O. Coelho. He stated, "You are what you believe yourself to be." Again, you are what you believe yourself to be. Well, this is also a reminder to all people who have become too harsh on themselves because of what other people or society want them to be. Don't pressure yourself to change because of other people's opinions. As long as you don't hurt others or you don't do anything wrong, don't be shy about showing who you are. Because as Bruno Mars said in one of his songs, "You're amazing, just the way you are." Okay, for that, thank you for listening. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.